do. This, which is going to go over there where that little white thing is. I've got to unscrew that, but this part is going to, I'm struggling. This is going to be what I attach to the green jar there. That's the clean water outlet.